In this video, Dr. Anwar J. Siddiqui is introducing 8 essential tips on how to drink water for optimal health, as advocated by the centenarian Russian doctor, Fyodor Grigorovich. With a belief rooted in simple, natural habits, Dr. Grigorovich's recommendations focus on the timing, temperature, and quantity of water consumption, aiming to enhance bodily functions and overall well-being. The video highlights that many people unknowingly commit mistakes in their drinking habits that could lead to suboptimal health. By following Dr. Grigorovich's advice, individuals can potentially improve their health in just 7 days, emphasizing the importance of hydration as a cornerstone of physical wellness. Highlights: Droplet. Drink water before bed. A glass of water an hour before bed aids in overnight body repair. Alarm clock. Sip throughout the day. Gradual intake of water keeps hydration consistent and supports energy levels. Thermometer. Warm versus cold water. Prefer warm or room temperature water to promote better digestion. Dinner. Limit water during meals. Avoid drinking too much water during meals to enhance nutrient absorption. Scales. Personalized hydration. Calculate daily water needs based on body weight for optimal hydration. Weightlifter. Pre-exercise hydration. Drink water before exercising to improve muscle performance and prevent cramps. Person in lotus position. Mindful drinking. Slow, deliberate sips help the body absorb water effectively and prevent discomfort. Key insights. Droplet. Hydration before sleep. Dr. Grigorovich's recommendation to drink a glass of water before bed is not merely about hydration, it plays a crucial role in the body's natural repair processes during the night. This tip highlights the body's need for water to facilitate detoxification and tissue repair, making it a vital practice for those looking to enhance their overall restorative sleep. It suggests that being proactive about hydration can set the stage for a more refreshing morning. Alarm clock. Consistent hydration. The emphasis on sipping water gradually throughout the day underscores the importance of maintaining consistent hydration levels. This practice not only prevents overwhelming the kidneys but also combats fatigue and promotes mental clarity. In a fast-paced world where dehydration is common and often overlooked, adopting this habit can significantly improve cognitive function and energy levels. Thermometer. Temperature matters. The advice to avoid cold water in favor of warm or room temperature water is rooted in digestive health. Cold water can impede the digestive process and cause discomfort, while warmer water supports smoother digestion and better nutrient absorption. This insight is especially useful for individuals who experience digestive issues after meals, suggesting that small changes in water temperature can lead to noticeable improvements in well-being. Dinner. Timing of water intake. Dr. Grigorovich's guidance to limit water intake during meals can have profound effects on digestion. By preventing the dilution of stomach acid, this practice enhances the body's ability to break down food effectively. This insight encourages a more mindful approach to eating and drinking, emphasizing that timing can be as crucial as quantity when it comes to water consumption. Scales. Personalized hydration needs. The formula for calculating daily water needs based on body weight is a practical tool that recognizes the individuality of hydration requirements. This insight promotes a personalized approach to health, allowing individuals to adjust their water intake based on activity levels and personal health conditions. It serves as a reminder that hydration is not one size fits all and encourages self-awareness regarding one's own body. Weightlifter. Hydration and exercise. The importance of drinking water before exercise highlights the link between hydration and physical performance. Staying hydrated not only improves muscle function but also helps maintain electrolyte balance, which is essential for optimal energy levels. This information is particularly useful for athletes and fitness enthusiasts who often overlook hydration in their routines. person in lotus position, mindfulness in drinking. The recommendation to drink water slowly and mindfully emphasizes the role of awareness in hydration practices. By taking small sips and focusing on the act of drinking, individuals can enhance their body's ability to absorb water and avoid discomfort. This insight advocates for a more conscious lifestyle, where even simple acts like drinking water can be performed with intention, ultimately leading to improved health outcomes. In conclusion, Dr. Fedor Grigorovich's insights on water consumption provide a comprehensive framework for enhancing health through simple yet effective habits. By implementing these practices, individuals can potentially experience significant improvements in their overall well-being in just a week. The video serves as a valuable resource for anyone seeking to optimize their hydration habits and, by extension, their health.